Let's take a look how to collect literature sources. So by sources, I mean PDF files. So this is Google Scholar. We have search by key terms, named entity recognition, large language models, and we have a list of articles from journals and conferences and preprint surveys. So let's say we are interested in this article. I will highlight the title of the article, press Ctrl+C for copying the name. Then I open the article, have a look, read the abstract if this is of my interest. Let's say I decide, yes, this is of my interest and I would like to include this in my collection for writing introduction or background chapter. So next I will save this article. So who was the first author? There were more than 2 authors, so who et al. The year it's published was 23, and Ctrl+V for the name of the title of the article. And this was about the clinical entity recognition using ChatGPT. I have a literature subfolder for that called LLM, named entity recognition, applications, and the article is saved. So next I can close this window and I will open site link from Google Scholar to download the bibliography reference file. So let me save this to downloads. Now I have it in my downloads folder. I will just drag and drop this to Mendeley, and now clicking on the Mendeley I can make sure that yes, indeed I have this included in my references database. Maybe I want to make some adjustments or add some specifications about the paper, but this is at this point not the case. So let me move on to the next paper. Let's say this enhancing supply chain visibility and with knowledge graphs and large language models by Al-Mahri et al. Is something I think the title is interesting. I open it for a quick look. So let's take a look at the abstract and decide that, yeah, this is something I indeed find interesting. Let's save this article. Again, there was more than 2 authors, so the name of the first author et al., then comma, the year of publishing, and comma, the title of the article. And let me find the correct folder for that, named under the article recognition methods, and the article is saved. Now I do the same with the bibliography reference. Drag it to Mendeley, and I have now the Al-Mahri also included in my reference database. So by downloading the source PDF files, it's reasonable to use the naming convention as we do in scientific papers. If there is only one author, then you display the author's surname, comma, year, comma, title. If there are 2 authors, then it's like in this example, Hussein and Thomas, comma, year, comma, the title. And if there are more than three or more authors, then the name of the first author, et al., period, comma, the year, and the title. It's very easy to return to the articles later and have, just by looking at the file explorer at your computer, to have the almost full title of the article and the reference to the authors, much the same as it starts with in the references list in your page.